Hello friends, how are you doing? Hope you all are doing well. So last lecture what we have seen that theory for the go for long term. Now I will show you a couple of charts and couple of stocks over the period of time, over the period like I would say that almost last 10 years, 15 years, if they for a long term how they have progressed their stocks that I will show you over here. So simply I took the Bajaj Finance, okay, and once I got the buy signal over here, which you can see over here, the buy signal, I took the position at around the stock price. The price is currently at 70.36. So my total, if I'm going to have a thousand as a quantity, then I need somewhere around 70,360 rupees, and I will buy over here. Okay, once I buy, and I will see to it that how it is going to work, and I will see that how it is exactly working here for long term period of time. So as of now, the since I invested, you can see this green color over here. As you can see the green color, my positions and everything, and I'm just waiting for the moment. Okay, 70 is what my buying price. Now the price is almost 64, which I'm loss of 9,000, but still it's okay. If I'm going for a long term, so I'm not going to say anything. This is just a one time which I invested. I'm just sitting in that particular trend. Okay, and we'll see how it is going to work because we are putting a time. So in 2000, sorry, 2011 I have invested this stock. So 1 year, after 1 year, as you can see that it has given me somewhere around, one second, I'll just stop that for a moment. So I started investing from here. So almost now for this particular year, it has given me 123 percentage of ROA, which you can see over here. Once I keep my mouse over here, then you can see that upside it's 123. Okay, we'll see to it that how it is going to work. So it is not like every day I'm going to see that stock price, whether it is going to up, whether it's going down. Okay. But I need to, once I put that particular money, I don't want to see, because the reason is that over here, what is happening over here, it's a buy signal. Okay. What I'm going to cover those topics later on during these training sessions. But since I'm just explaining you that I'm not getting here any sale indicator, till that time I will sit this rally. I won't exit. I won't do any kind of things because I'm getting what I have put, and this is what I'm getting return as of now. So if you see, the moment I bought this till over here, somewhere around 4 years only, I got somewhere around 1132 1132 as a rate of interest ROI. This is amazing, but we'll wait and we'll see that how it is going. Just on my 70,000 investment, my position is more than 3 lakh 60,000 to 3 lakh 70,000, or almost now it's almost 4 lakhs plus. But I will wait because, as I said, that I'm not getting any kind of sell indicator. Over here, many traders get panic. Okay, many investors they get panic, they start doing their selling. But this particular trading view, which I'm going to teach you later on, that will give you the perfect example that you don't need to rush away, or you don't want to exit your position. Though you are taken at 70 rupees, now it's 522 something. Someone says that it's enough for me, but no, still, if market is giving you, you need to wait. Okay, patiently you need to wait, because that is what I'm going to teach you. Okay, we'll see to it that how it is going to work. Okay, we'll wait for certain time. So this is in 2015, 2016, and as I said that I have started my journey in 2010. Okay, so you can see that I'm crossing somewhere around 10 lakhs. Okay, There are certain as I can say that there is a noise, lot of noise, background noise, or in TV series also, news also, we get a lot of bad things. So we get a lot of recessions, all that stuff. So we get, so because of that, it went out. The sellers, new seller is going to buy, buyers are going to come over here in this particular rally. So we'll see. We'll wait till, I'm saying that till I haven't got any kind of sell indicator, I'm not going to exit from that position. I'm just waiting. As you can see that I've crossed almost 20 lakhs. What is my investment? Only at 70,000. Okay. And that too, if I just showed you that 2000 from here to here, almost 8 years, I have made a massive profit over here. But I will wait and I will say to it that how it is going to work. Okay, don't worry, this is just a paper trading, but I'm saying that if you follow this kind of practice, so by 2035 or 2030 or 35 or 40, you will have a very good amount which you won't think about that particular positions. But this is going to happen. I'm not saying that this is not something like end of the world or something like that. There will be a lot of opportunities in your bucket, but you need to patiently wait for that bucket and wait for those movement to come in your way. Might be this video will be bit longer, but you need to understand that how exactly it is going to work. See, I will tell you that the sale has been started over here. Okay, in this particular situation I may exit. Okay, I will see to it that from day, from over here till somewhere over here, if I exit, still I'm in a very very good position. So just think about that, that after almost 10 years, I'm got almost more than 8,259 ROI, rate of interest. This is a massive. If you were to keep in bank or some other investment also, this market won't give you that much. This is what the amazing move what I got after this sell signal. I'm not calculating this one. I'm just calculating the amount of 2290, not this one, which is already hit. But in this situation, I will see to it that whether I'm getting any kind of sales. But as you can see that whatever the sale was started for that particular candle, it has now gone. Okay, so in this situation I'm not going to exit the position. So this is what why happened, what happened, why, because of the COVID, giant COVID, whatever the season has come now. So after maybe 6 7 months or 8 months, market has again started growing. So that was the one case where it has started, but as you know that again it's now trying to shoot. So just think about that, on my 70,000 it's crossing somewhere around 50 lakhs. This is not a picture, this is reality of whoever has invested, whoever has done the proper study, they have learned this. Okay, this is now crossing somewhere around 75,000 or 75 78,000. So as I'm saying that 70, sorry, not thousand, I mean lakhs. Okay, we'll wait. That sell indicator, whenever it comes, I will explain you how it comes. That's other topic which I will come later. Still this position I won't exit because as I can see that there are three this one trend which I'm waiting for 8,000 to break. That's the resistance which you can see over here, which they have created. Once it has broken, it will again start a new rally over there. So remember that that is a one area where I'll be waiting. So in a downtrend, I will take somewhere stop somewhere around 5,200 or 5,300. I'll take my stop loss over here if that doesn't work, and I will sit into this particular rally. If I get, I will remove at 5,500 or 5,200. I will remove my positions. Now it is crossing that 8,000. So I'll stick to my plan. I will stay in this particular rally. I won't exit. Now, if you can see, somewhere around 90 lakhs, 48,150 rupees, which I have got the profit. Don't worry, this is just a paper trading. This is not a reality. This is not at all reality. This is just a paperwork. But you need to understand this is what the rally which is working over here. See you in the next lecture. I will couple of other stocks which I will cover over there. Thank you very much.